What's up guys, welcome back. My name is Javier, and the reason I'm making this video is because a few people asked how much you can do with the Chicago Electric 18 volt batteries. So instead of just telling you how they do, what better way than to show you how they do. I'll be using the Chicago Electric 18 volt circular saw with a fully charged 1.5 amp hour NiCad battery, and I'll be cutting this sheet of 1/2 inch OSB. I don't like the way the board is looking at me, so it has to go for sure. The board measures exactly 4 feet long ways, and we'll see how many cuts it can do. Alright guys, let's get started.